pull them across, flip it all the way down, and then spread the bun. And then in the fold here, you're going to cuff some of it in there to secure it and round it out, okay? And then after that, I'm going to spread the front of the wrap. I'm going to spread the arms so the twist could be in the back while I tuck in the bun, okay? All right. So this is one way you could wear it, okay, guys? So if you like a nice, big, round, juicy wrap, this is it. I love this green with the black for some reason today. Yes, it's giving me something. It's giving me something. Yeah, so that's how the olive green looks. Wide, and then you could also twist it to the other side. Pull it down, all the way down, and then on the other side, there's going to be a top fold here that you're going to cuff on this side, secure it, and round it out. And then you're going to spread the arms so that twist could be in the back while you tuck in the fluff. Little knotless look to the right side. And just to let you guys know, you can also bring this down. Like if you want like a nice soft swoop, you could bring the bottom arm down and spread it out. And then spread it in the back as well. So that twist could be at the top here instead. Tuck it in. So, okay, so if you want to be on your Erica Badu, you can. All right. Yes, look at that. And then you could twist it twice. Okay, I just twist it twice and tuck it in. Tuck it in all the way to the bottom of the bun. Spread it out and fluff it. And you could get a little knot situation right there. You see that? Like that. There you go. That's a different style right there. Okay. And then you also make it smaller if you want. This is a third twist here. Third twist right here. Tuck all of that in. And then this makes it smaller, rounder, and a little taller too, in my opinion. Right? So I like this style. It's cute. I love it. And then the new one, I'm still getting used to this new wrap style. I want to show you guys real quick.